Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today we are going to solve exercise miscellaneous of chapter 3 class 11. So now we are completed our last 4 exercises from exercise 3.1 to 3.4 and we learned all the concepts and formulas of trigonometry. But now today we are going to solve miscellaneous exercise of NCRT book and it is an important exercise and its examples is very important. So I can solve first 5 questions of miscellaneous exercise and 2 important examples also. Okay, for you students. So let's start the video. Be attentive and watch the video completely. Now question number 1 of exercise miscellaneous exercise. The question number 1 is you have to prove that 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 is equals to 0. So look at here, this is a formula of 2 cos A cos B and this is cos A plus cos B. ओके तो अगर आप दोनों पे एक साथ फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे तो ये वाला फॉर्म इसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा और ये वाला फॉर्म इसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा बेटा. ठीक है, तो आपको दोनों पे एक साथ फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं करना है, आपको दोनों में से एक चूज करना है और एक को दूसरे को एज इट इज रखना है. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने फर्स्ट टर्म को अपना एज इट इज रखा and I can apply the formula on these two. Then cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Okay, we can take left hand side. So now look at this. This is cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus 2. This is 8 pi by 13, that means cos 4 pi by 13 and this is cos minus pi by 13, that means again pi by 13, right? So you can take common 2 cos pi by 13 from both. So this is 2 cos pi by 13 and we have 9 pi by 13 plus cos 4 pi by 13. Okay, so now you can apply the same formula. So we will get, look at here, this is 2 cos A plus B, that is 9 plus 4, 13 pi by 13 divided by 2 cos 9 minus 4, this is 5 pi by 13 divided by 2. Now this is 13 will be cancelled by 13. Now this is 2 to the 4 cos pi by 13 cos pi by 2 and cos 5 pi by 26. Now we know that cos pi by 2 is 0. Because cos pi by 2 is 0, the complete multiplication is converted into 0. So here is the answer. This is equals to right hand side. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Now question number 2. That is sin 3x plus sin x into sin x. Cos 3x minus cos x into cos x equals to 0. Okay. So first we can apply sin A plus sin B, that is equals to 2 sin A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. In this and cos 3 A minus cos B, that is equals to 2 minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 and sin A minus B by 2. Okay, so you can apply these two formulas in the equation. Now this will get 2 sin 3x plus x, this is 4x divided by 2, this is 2x. 3 minus x is 2x divided by 2 is x into sin x plus 3. Similarly, this is minus 2 sin A plus B divided by 2, this is 2x and sin A minus B divided by 2 is x into cos x. So now look at here, these two terms is same and the sign is negative. So that is 2 sin 2x cos x sin x minus 2 sin 2x sin x cos x, that is equals to 0. Okay, so it is the easiest question. Now come to the question number 3. The question number is cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equals to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. So now you can apply the formula here. This is 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 and the formula of this whole square plus formula of this is 2 cos x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2 whole square. Okay, so you can take out 4 cos square x plus y by 2 from both the equations, both the terms, and here we will get rest is x minus y by 2 whole square plus sin square x minus y by 2, and this is cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is 1, so that is our answer is this. It is the easiest one. Similarly, question number 4 is same as question number 3, so you can do it yourself and I can solve question number 5 for you. Now question number 5 is sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x, that is 4 cos x, cos 2x and sin 4x. Okay, so how we will find the answer? So as we told you in previous exercises, first we can find the two angles whose sum or difference divided by 2 is the third one. Okay, तो देखिए x plus 5x, this is 6x, divided by 2, that is 3x, or x minus this, that is 4x divided by 2 is 2x. Similarly 7x minus 3x is again 4x divided by 2 2x. तो मीन्स अगर आप इन दोनों का पेयर बनाते हैं और इन दोनों का पेयर बनाते हो तो आपको एक इक्वेशन सेम मिल जाएगा. तो आई कैन राइट take these two and these two. So now first apply the formula on these two. This is 2 sin a plus b, that is 6x divided by 2, and cos a minus b, that is 5x minus, that is divided by 2, 4x. ठीक है, plus similarly in these two, 2 sin 10x divided by 2 and cos 7 minus this is 4x divided by 2. Okay, so now look at here, this is 2 sin 3x cos 2x, 2 sin 5x cos 2x. So 2 cos 2x take common from both the terms and we will have sin 3x plus sin 5x. You can apply the same formula again, then you will get 2 sin 3 plus 5, 8x divided by 2 cos this minus this is 2x divided by 2. Now this is 4, this is cos x, this is cos 2x, this is sin 4x. Okay, so this is equals to right hand side. So it is the final answer of our question number 5. So now come to question number, now rest questions I will solve in another video, but I can solve two most important for examples of this exercise. So now number 29 is very important for exam point of view and it is a very interesting question. So now look at here, this is cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 is equals to 3 by 2. So how we can solve this type of questions? Here is not cos x only, here is cos square x. So I cannot apply direct formulas. So first I can convert it into cos x and then I can apply the formulas. तो हमें cos x के formulas पता है but cos square x के formulas नहीं पता है. तो हम पहले formula cos square x को किस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं बेटा? As we know that cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 cos square x minus 1. That means cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Right? So I can apply this formula in these three. So we will get on left hand side क्या मिल जाएगा? 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2, the first one. The second one is 1 by 2 plus cos 2 into x plus pi by 3 plus 1 plus cos 2 into x minus pi by 3 divided by 2. So now look at here, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, take 1 by 2 common. Okay, now 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3. Now cos 2x, now cos 2x plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3. Right? तो नाउ अब हमारा सारा फॉर्मूला बेटा किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? cos x में. तो नाउ दिस इज a, दिस इज b, cos a minus cos b का फॉर्मूला लगा देते हैं. तो दैट इज 2 cos a plus cos b क्या होता है? cos a plus b डिवाइड बाई 2. तो दोनों को ऐड करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 4x डिवाइड बाई 2 2 पाई बाई 3 से 2 पाई बाई 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एंड जब माइनस करोगे तो क्या आएगा 4 पाई बाई 3 डिवाइड बाई 2. ओके, 2x से 2x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 + 2 4 हो जाएगा. तो नाउ हियर इट इज 2, हियर इट इज 2. तो वी विल गेट 3 + cos 2x + 2 cos 2x cos 2 pi by 3, and cos 2 pi by 3 that is cos pi minus pi by 3, pi minus pi by 3 that is negative, and this is -1/2. ठीक है, तो आपका वैल्यू क्या हो जाती है -1/2. तो दिस इज +2 cos 2x -1/2. तो 2 से 2 कैंसिल, दिस इज नेगेटिव, दिस इज पॉजिटिव, तो ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. आपके पास क्या बच जाएगा 3/2. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. तो इस क्वेश्चन में इंपॉर्टेंट ये था कि हमें cos स्क्वायर को पहले cos x में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो किस तरीके से कन्वर्ट करेंगे, cos 2x के फॉर्मूले से. ठीक है, दिस इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. तो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज, so now look at here, the next important question is find the value of 10 pi by 8. इसी तरीके से आपसे sin pi by 8, cos pi by 8 किसी की वैल्यू पूछ सकता है. तो इन क्वेश्चन को किस तरीके से करेंगे, अलग अलग क्वेश्चन में अलग अलग ट्रिक्स यूज करते हैं बेटा, बट बेसिक हमारा वही रहता है. ठीक है, तो वी हैव टू फाइंड 10 pi by 8. ओके, और वी कैन राइट इट एज 10 1/2 into pi by 4. राइट, तो लेट कर लेते हैं, लेट थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू pi by 8. ओके, theta is equals to pi by 8. That means 2 theta is equals to pi by 4. Right? 2 को आप नीचे ले जाइए, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. Now we know the value of tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay? Any problem to anyone? Easy है. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, 10 pi by 4 is equals to 2 tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. राइट, तो अब अगर आप pi by 8 की वैल्यू आपको फाइंड करनी है, तो वी नो दैट दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2 tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. You can cross multiply the equation and it will convert it into a quadratic equation. So this is 1 minus tan square pi by 8 is equals to 2 tan pi by 8.